Welcome to Kaplan's Performance Tracker video tutorial. Performance Tracker is designed to provide you with specific learning data related to how you're performing in your studies. This information will help you understand what areas you're doing well in and what areas you may need to spend more time focusing on. Students can access Performance Tracker in the Study Tools section of their main menu by first clicking on Study Tools at the top right of your dashboard. Use the Performance Tracker to help you monitor your progress with your studies. This tool displays your overall score and the percentage of questions you've used. If you'd like to understand how you're doing compared to the other learners, just click on Compare with Others and Scores. The results will show you your scores, everyone's scores, and the difference between them. Click Question Time to compare your time against others. The Performance Tracker filter feature provides two options that include obtaining results from a specific test or a specific test type. For a specific test, click Choose a Test to select the test by name that you would like to analyze for areas of strength or weakness, time per question, and so on. You can get the results of two specific test types, QBank quizzes and fixed exams. Clicking QBank will give you your overall results from all tests taken within the QBank. Clicking Fixed Exams will give you your overall results for all fixed exams. If you turn off all filters, then the display will include all the tests you have taken. Click the My Dashboard to return to the dashboard. Good luck with your studies, and thank you for choosing Kaplan to help you succeed.